Hey guys, I'm Tim, and this week on The Joy of Moving, I wanted to show you a nice little leg warm-up routine I like to do in the morning. This is a great way to put juice in your legs and lengthen and stretch out your calves, and it feels pretty good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna step back like we're running in no motion, and as we step back, we're gonna breathe in and flex or tighten up the entire back leg. So the quads, the glutes, the hamstrings, the calves, you're just gonna put juice into them and flex them. Then you're gonna exhale and step forward. So again, it's breathe in, step back. You're gonna flex that back leg, exhale, and step forward. And then to do the other side, and you can alternate from side to side. So it's inhale, tighten that back leg, tighten that glute, the calves, the quad, whole leg, exhale, step forward. And now, that feels cool because you're waking your leg up and you're just putting a lot of, you're strength training really, you're strength training. Putting a lot of juice into the muscle. But what we can do when we do that is we can lengthen the calves, and this feels great. So we're gonna breathe in, and we tighten that leg up. Now we're going to work that heel down to the floor. Oh, yeah, that's good stuff. Then we're gonna exhale, come forward, and we'll switch, breathe in, tighten that leg up, work that heel, down to the floor. Come up, breathe in, tighten that leg up, work that heel, you're gonna like this, down to the floor. But that's it. So again, you're just breathing in, tightening up this whole leg, and then with it tight, you're gonna work that heel down to the floor, and you're gonna feel a nice lengthening sensation in your calf. Great way to put some juice in your legs and lengthen and stretch your calves out, and it feels good. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim, and this is The Joy of Moving, and we'll talk to you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.